Welcome, traveler. Perhaps you didn't come here by accident. Something within you has led you right here. This is where the journey back to yourself begins. A path that is calm, human, and yet full of strength. Enter, take a deep breath, and allow this space to reconnect you with who you truly are. Pause for a moment. Let everything around you fade away. Quiet the world, quiet your thoughts, and listen only to your breath. Because right now, in this very moment, something within you can change. You are not here by coincidence. Your soul brought you here to remember what you once knew long ago and perhaps have forgotten. That your life, your strength, and your balance have always been within you. This space is not ordinary. It is part of a unique program that unites three great paths of human wisdom: Stoicism, Eastern philosophy, and indigenous knowledge. This video will look at your questions, struggles, and challenges through these three perspectives: the view of the Stoic, the Eastern sage, and the voice of indigenous wisdom. It will help you understand why things happen the way they do, and most importantly, how to face them practically with calm, perspective, and strength that rises from within. Here, reason meets the soul, wisdom meets courage, silence meets action. So take a deep breath and let me guide you on a journey that may just change your life. Today, we will talk, explain, and learn how to find new friends or reconnect with those we have lost. Epictetus once said, "Friendship begins where pretense ends." Friendship is one of the greatest gifts of life, and yet, at some point, we all lose it. People leave, paths diverge, sometimes through misunderstanding, sometimes simply because we've grown in different directions. And then one day, you realize that even though you're surrounded by people, there is a quiet emptiness inside. You miss true connection, true friendship, someone with whom you can laugh, share, or simply be silent. But it's never too late. It's never too late to reconnect or to create something new, because friendship, just like love, never truly dies. It only waits for you to open it again. Let me tell you a story. Imagine someone you once knew well, someone you laughed with, shared secrets and moments with. But then came something: time, work, conflict, misunderstanding, and between you, silence. Perhaps it's been months, maybe even years, and still, you sometimes think of this person. But immediately, a voice inside says, "Leave it." It's too late. That voice is wrong, because the human heart never forgets. It only closes so it can open again when the time is right. And maybe that time is now. The Stoic perspective calls this the courage to be first. The Stoics taught, if you wish to have friends, be friendly first. We often wait for the other person to reach out. But a true friend is not the one who waits. It is the one who takes the first step, expecting nothing in return. An apology, a message, a small gesture. That's often all it takes to begin rebuilding the bridge between two hearts. You cannot change the past, but you can change the tone of the present. Never forget that. The Eastern principle approaches this as friendship as a mirror. In Buddhism, it is said, every person you meet is a reflection of your own soul. When you like someone, it's because you recognize a part of yourself in them. When someone irritates you, it's also a part of you, one you haven't yet accepted. Friendship is a path of self-discovery. It shows you where you are open and where you still hide behind fear. So when you seek new friends, don't look for those who are similar. look for those beside whom you feel free. The indigenous principle trusts in what they called the circle of relationships. In many native cultures, friendship wasn't seen as casual. It was sacred. When two people connected, they would say, "From this moment on, we hold each other's hearts." And if something went wrong, the people gathered in a circle. They spoke until the pain was gone. It didn't matter who was right. What mattered was that energy flowed again between them. You can try the same. You don't have to apologize for everything. Sometimes it's enough to say, "I miss you. I miss our friendship." Just a few words, but words that can work wonders. Now let me offer some practical guidance. Heal the past. Before you start new friendships, heal the old wounds. Don't make new people replacements for those who left. Take the first step. Write a message, send a greeting, make a call. You don't need to explain. Just show that you care. Be real. Don't pretend to be someone else. True friendship stands on honesty, not performance. Let your relationships grow slowly. Let them grow like trees, with patience, care, and light. Don't seek quantity, seek quality. One true friend can make you never feel alone again. Now here's a practical exercise that will help you. It's called the friendship letter. Take a piece of paper. Write a letter to someone with whom you were once close, someone separated by time, conflict, or life. Don't overthink the words. Write what you feel. I miss you. I think of you. Thank you for what you meant to me. You can send the letter or keep it for yourself. It's not about getting a reply. It's about opening your heart. This small act can be the beginning of a big change. And remember, write it by hand on real paper, not on a phone, not in an email. There is healing in the touch of ink and paper. And what is the final thought of this video? Life is a journey. On that journey, people meet, pass by, and sometimes get lost. But no meeting is ever meaningless. Everyone who entered your life brought you something, a lesson, a joy, an experience, or love. And even if they left, a piece of their energy remains within you. So open your heart again. Stop waiting for someone else to reach out. Be the one who brings the light. Whenever you open yourself to new connection, you open your heart. Take a deep breath and let everything you've just heard settle for a moment. Every word, every image that spoke to you today has the power to change the way you see yourself and the world around you. Remember, the strength, the calm, and the balance you're searching for have always been within you. You just need to return to them. If this video inspired you, give it a like and help these ideas reach others who might need them right now. Subscribe to the channel My Life in My Hands so you won't miss the next step on this journey. A journey toward a conscious, peaceful, and powerful life. And if you're ready to go deeper, watch the next video waiting for you right here. Because with every step forward, you discover more of who you truly are. Never forget, your life is truly in your hands.